Hello, colleagues and friends. This is Calvin's. Here I am on the dashboard of the ProSmart Exam Analysis System. So in the other tutorial, actually, I talked about how to operate this particular new version. So there are certain areas that we have upgraded, some features added. So I need to actually talk about them. So that is the importation or importing students into this particular system. Remember, in adding students, you are going to add them one by one. So when the school is large or when the population is big, it will be taller than us. So we usually need to import so that we don't have to waste a lot of time entering them one by one. So when you're importing in the other version, in the previous version, actually we were having only admission number, stream, and name. The others were not actually in the list to import. But in this particular version, we have ensured that all the details are supposed to be in that particular list that we are supposed to import. Okay, and that is a plus. So you do it once and for all. So you need to prepare the class list for all the classes. For example, Form 1, then it must have admission number, stream, name, KCP, gender, and house. So all those details are supposed to be there. We are not saying that they are the must. It's a must, but it's good for you to have all of them. House, even if it's not there, there's no problem. But it's good to have them. Gender, it's not a must, but it's good to have them because during analysis you may want to do the analysis based on gender or the house, right? So after preparing such a list, then you'll be good to go. You are able to import. Okay. So when you press import, you will have to select the class you want to import. I want to import Form 3 class, so you submit. When you submit that one, you are supposed to go to the folder where you have kept those class lists. Here they are, the desktop in a folder named class lists. All right. So when you select the Form 3 class, then we are sure it's being imported. So the process is on, and we are going to import the Form 3 class list with all the details which are required, right? So the importation is just almost complete, okay? So the importation is complete and the operation is successful. Okay, this is the notification, so you can validate that. Then you close this. So we are sure we have actually imported the Form 3 class list with all the details of the students, right? So that is very crucial for our operation with this particular system. So the other feature that I want us to talk about is report card production. So report cards can be produced in bulk. One, as PDF copies. Two, you can bulk print them to the connected printer. Then three, you can produce single report card for a student. So those are the three ways. One is bulk print them in PDF. Two is bulk print them to the connected printer. Then three is just producing one copy which is in PDF for a single student. So let me show you how you are able to bulk print the report cards, and then after bulk printing them, the system will automatically merge all the report cards into a single document, into a single PDF document, which you can easily print. Remember, in the previous version, we were able to just produce the report cards in PDF in bulk, but we were not able to merge them using our system. But right now, in this particular version, the system produces them in bulk, then merges the report cards into one single PDF, which you'll be able to print on a button click. All right. So let me show you that. So we come to reports, then you go to report cards. You can generate without setup. Then here you can generate whichever class you want to generate. Let me generate for Form 3 class. So when I go to Form 3, I will select the folder where I want the report cards to be kept. So I press OK. Then now the process is on, all right? The generation process is on. We are waiting. Now you can see that the process is complete and the operation is successful. Okay, so we just need to validate that one. So let us check. We want to check if all the report cards have been generated and if there is a merged PDF copy for all those report cards. So we go to the desktop, then we look for Form 3 report cards. It is here, this one here. So the Form 3 report cards, when you open it, you'll find that we have all the report cards, okay? And then there's one copy which is a merged copy. You can see merged PDF. So this merged PDF, when you open this merged PDF, you'll be able to see that it is the merged copy that has all the report cards, okay? So as you can see, each report card is a page, so you can see it is the merged copy, and you can see very nice, very nice. All the report cards have been merged into one document using the system. It's automated. You can see all of them have been merged into a single PDF file. So that means that the system is now able to generate the PDF copies, then also merge them into a single document which can be easily printed on a button click, as opposed to the other one, which you are to print one by one if you have gone the way of PDF, right? Now you bulk print to PDF, then also merge all the report cards which you can print on a button click like this one, okay? Just come here and print, then it will generate all the PDF on just a button click. So you can see those are very good features that we've added that you can enjoy as you continue using this particular system. Otherwise, that is what we want to say.